Hello guys, my name is Kobe and welcome to Kitech Digital. Now in today's video, we are going to learn how to add dark mode on your website. So you have a website, very beautiful website, but you want to add dark mode to it, okay? So that when your visitors come, they can be able to switch between the dark mode and then the normal website. So just like this one, we have a button down here over here whereby people can switch between the dark mode, get a dark mode just like this one, okay, or get the normal website just like this one. So we are going to learn how we can add this button over here. You can decide to add it even here or wherever you want to add it, but I prefer it this way so you can switch between both the dark mode and the normal mode. Okay, so jump into the tutorial and let's go. Now this is just a quick tutorial. It's just a simple plugin that we are going to add. So let's jump in. To turn our website into dark mode and to have dark mode on our website, we are going to install a plugin. So we head over to plugins. Over here. We hover on plugins. We go to add new. Now we search for a plugin called WP Dark Mode. It is by WP Pool. This is the plugin that we are going to install. It have over 10,000 active installations. So we click on install now and then we click on activate. Now after activating, you will be brought to the settings of the plugin to do some settings of the plugin. Now automatically they will tell you that enable front end dark mode, which is already enabled. If you want to enable your back end dark mode, you can switch it on. I don't want to enable it. And then also enable OS aware dark mode. That means that if somebody has set up his or her device to a dark mode, automatically when the person enters your website, the the device or the web page change to dark mode for the person. So that is the OS aware dark mode. That is also what enabled. And then let's go to the advanced settings over here. Now dark mode, make dark mode default. So you can decide to make it default. Okay, you can make it default over here. Now they said that turning on dark mode default will disable OS aware. So if you turn on this one, it means that automatically it will disable the OS aware mode. That is if you want it that way. I don't want it that way, so I'll keep it just like that. And then let's go to the color. So the color you want it. Okay, if it is the dark mode, you want it this dark, you leave it like that. Maybe some people want to customize their own colors for their website, so we leave it like that. And then the switcher settings. Okay, so this is the switch settings for the switching on and off the dark mode. Okay, now you can use this one, and this one. That is for the free version. All these ones are pro versions. Okay, now I want to use this one over here. Okay, this one is what I want to use. And then I want it to show at the right bottom, and then the normal switch just like this one, and then the attention effect. So you can choose between vibration and then wobble. Okay, but I don't want any attention effect. So that is it. So these are the main settings that we are going to do for the WP dark mode. And then we click on what save settings. Now after clicking on save settings, we can go ahead to check our website to see how if the settings have taken place. Yes, so as you can see, it has taken place. My device is already in a dark mode, so it is what content aware already. So as you can see, everything is what in the dark mode now. Okay, so everything is in the dark mode now, so it has already taken effect. The dark mode is what is working. Yes, now we can switch between the dark mode over here, the right hand the right corner side over here, okay, down corner. So you can switch between here and then this one or that one, okay, however you want it. So when you click on the dark mode, it will give you dark mode. When you click on when you click on the brightness too, it will give you the normal one that you want. So that is basically how you can be able to turn your website into a dark mode as easy as possible. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to this channel so that we keep giving you content every single day.